The logistics industry is in the middle of a technological revolution. As e-commerce continues to skyrocket, the pressure on warehouses to meet demand quickly and efficiently is higher than ever. Enter Brightpick Autopicker, an advanced autonomous mobile robot, AMR, designed to pick and consolidate orders directly in warehouse aisles, mimicking a human worker. But Brightpick is not just any robot. It's powered by cutting-edge AI and machine learning, trained on over 1 billion picks to date, making it one of the most intelligent and adaptable solutions in warehouse automation. So, how does it all work, and what makes Brightpick stand out in a crowded market of robotic solutions? Stick around to find out. Welcome to the AI Lib. The landscape of warehousing has seen a massive transformation over the past decade, driven by the e-commerce boom and rising customer expectations for rapid delivery. Warehouses, once reliant solely on human labor, now face unprecedented pressures to fulfill orders with precision and speed. In such a competitive market, traditional methods can't keep up, and that's where automation steps in. Automated solutions like robotic arms, automated guided vehicles, AGVs, and entire fleets of autonomous mobile robots, AMRs, have become essential components in modern fulfillment centers. But until now, full autonomy, particularly in picking and consolidating orders, was not within reach. The introduction of the Brightpick Autopicker changes this dynamic. It's the first AMR capable of autonomously picking items directly in warehouse aisles, which is an extraordinary achievement in the world of logistics technology. This innovation eliminates the need for complex and expensive infrastructure overhauls while significantly boosting operational efficiency. Traditional methods relied on manual picking, where human workers walked the aisles with carts, selecting items for individual orders. As customer demand increased, so did the strain on warehouse operations, leading to delays, mistakes, and skyrocketing labor costs. Automation began addressing these issues by introducing machines to assist humans, but human intervention was still required in key processes, like picking items off shelves. This is where Brightpick's true revolution lies. It eliminates this last manual bottleneck. Furthermore, the concept of automating the picking process has evolved slowly because of the complexity involved. Picking involves more than just retrieving items from shelves. Different items vary in size, shape, and handling requirements, meaning an all-purpose robot wasn't feasible until recently. The Brightpick Autopicker, however, is designed to handle the complexities of modern warehouses, picking a diverse range of products with reliability and precision. This type of advancement is essential as warehouses increasingly deal with growing product diversity. In the past, warehouses typically managed more uniform inventories, but today's warehouses must handle everything from perishable groceries to pharmaceuticals and even fragile electronics. Automation that can manage such variety is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. In the competitive field of warehouse automation, not all robots are created equal. The Brightpick Autopicker stands out for its unique capabilities, flexibility, and ease of integration. But what exactly makes this AMR such a revolutionary solution for modern warehouses? The key lies in its ability to operate independently within standard warehouse environments. Unlike many fulfillment robots that require specialized setups, such as grids or conveyors, Brightpick seamlessly integrates with existing infrastructure. This is a major advantage for warehouses that don't want the disruption or high costs associated with redesigning their layout or building entirely new facilities to accommodate automation. The Brightpick Autopicker's technology is powered by a combination of 3D machine vision and artificial intelligence, AI, making it one of the most advanced AMRs in the market today. The robot uses its AI system to see and interpret its surroundings, enabling it to identify and pick products from shelves with a high degree of accuracy. Its proprietary 3D vision system allows it to handle complex environments and obstacles with ease. This dynamic adaptability ensures the Brightpick Autopicker can navigate crowded aisles, unpredictable obstacles, and varying warehouse layouts without needing fixed routes or predefined pathways. Another standout feature is the robot's learning ability. Brightpick's AI has been trained on over 1 billion picks to date, meaning it has a deep reservoir of experience to draw from. And with every new task it completes, the robot's machine learning algorithms further improve its performance. This means that over time, the Brightpick Autopicker becomes faster, more precise, and more efficient at handling warehouse tasks. This combination of AI-driven adaptability and advanced machine vision is what makes Brightpick unique. Many robots in the industry rely on fixed parameters, pre-programmed paths, or strict item dimensions to function effectively. Brightpick, on the other hand, thrives in dynamic environments where conditions and items vary. It's capable of picking a wide range of products, including chilled groceries, pharmaceuticals, electronics, cosmetics, and even polybagged apparel, something many other AMRs struggle to do reliably. This versatility makes Brightpick an appealing option for warehouses that manage diverse inventories. In the past, companies would often need different types of automation for different categories of products. Brightpick solves that problem by being an all-in-one solution capable of handling multiple types of SKUs, stock-keeping units, across different industries. This multifunctionality reduces the need for multiple specialized robots and simplifies warehouse operations, translating to lower costs and higher efficiency for businesses. Brightpick's operational independence extends to how it functions within warehouse systems. While many robotic systems require integration with rigid grid layouts or conveyor belts, Brightpick operates completely autonomously. This eliminates the need for expensive infrastructure installations, which is often a barrier to entry for many companies looking to automate their warehouses. Businesses can deploy Brightpick robots without having to halt operations for lengthy and costly construction periods. The heart of the Brightpick Autopicker lies in its cutting-edge AI and machine learning capabilities. These technologies are the driving forces that enable the robot to perform its tasks with such remarkable precision and efficiency. Let's break down how these advanced systems work and why they are so crucial to Brightpick's success. At its core, Brightpick's AI operates using a combination of deep learning algorithms and neural networks. These systems have been trained on over 1 billion individual picking actions, creating a vast library of knowledge from which the robot draws. This training allows Brightpick to recognize a wide array of products, sizes, and shapes, and handle them with a high degree of accuracy. But what really sets Brightpick apart from other automated solutions is its ability to learn from each pick. Every time the robot retrieves an item, it gathers data on the action. Everything from the weight and size of the object to the efficiency of the route it took to reach it. This data is fed back into the robot's machine learning system, allowing it to continuously refine its performance. The more tasks it completes, the better it becomes at optimizing its processes. This self-improving capability is what makes Brightpick an intelligent and future-proof solution for warehouse automation. Another standout feature of Brightpick's AI is its ability to handle unpredictability. In a busy warehouse, things rarely go according to plan. Shelves get rearranged, items shift or fall, and new products are constantly being added to the inventory. Unlike many older automated systems that rely on preset routes and fixed product positions, Brightpick's AI can adjust to these changes in real time. Its advanced algorithms allow it to assess new scenarios and make decisions on the fly, much like a human worker would. This adaptability is crucial in a modern warehouse setting. No two fulfillment centers are exactly alike, and conditions change regularly as orders come in and products move around. Brightpick's AI can handle these dynamic environments, making it a far more flexible option than static automated systems. Furthermore, Brightpick's AI is specifically designed to handle diverse product types. Warehouses today manage a wide variety of SKUs, from small, delicate electronics to bulky, heavy items like medical devices or appliances. Brightpick's AI is capable of recognizing these differences and adjusting its approach accordingly, ensuring each item is picked with care and efficiency. This versatility is key for warehouses dealing with mixed inventories, as it eliminates the need for different robots or specialized systems for various product categories. The AI's adaptability also extends to how it interacts with other systems in the warehouse. Brightpick can seamlessly integrate with warehouse management systems, WMS, allowing it to operate in harmony with existing workflows. This means that companies don't have to completely overhaul their current processes to accommodate the robot. Brightpick's AI can fit into whatever systems are already in place. One of the most remarkable features of the Brightpick Autopicker is its ability to handle a wide variety of products with precision and care. In today's warehouses, the diversity of products can be overwhelming, with everything from fragile electronics to heavy medical devices passing through fulfillment centers. This is where Brightpick truly shines. offering unmatched versatility in product handling. For starters, Brightpick is capable of picking a vast range of items, from ambient and chilled groceries to pharmaceuticals, packaged goods, electronics, cosmetics, and polybagged apparel. This flexibility is rare in warehouse robotics, where many automated solutions are designed to handle specific types of products or packaging. Brightpick's ability to manage such a wide variety of items makes it a valuable asset for warehouses dealing with mixed inventories. The robot's versatility is powered by its advanced AI and 3D vision systems, which allow it to recognize different types of products and adjust its approach based on the item's characteristics. For example, delicate items like glass bottles or electronics require a different handling technique than heavier products like appliances or bulk medical devices. Brightpick's AI is capable of making these distinctions in real time, ensuring that each item is picked and transported safely and efficiently. What sets Brightpick apart from other AMRs is its ability to switch between different picking methods depending on the item. For smaller, easier-to-handle items, the robot can pick them directly from the shelves, mimicking the actions of a human worker. However, for larger or more difficult-to-handle items, Brightpick employs a goods-to-person (G2P) picking method, where the robot transports the item to a designated station for further handling. This dual functionality allows Brightpick to maintain high accuracy and efficiency even when dealing with challenging products. Brightpick's ability to handle different product types is a game-changer for warehouses that manage a wide variety of SKUs. Traditionally, such warehouses would need to employ multiple types of robots or even rely on human workers for specific picking tasks. With Brightpick, all of these tasks can be handled by a single robot, streamlining operations and reducing the need for additional resources. In a typical warehouse environment, not every item can be easily handled by robots. Some products are too large, heavy, or awkwardly shaped for robotic arms to pick with precision. This is where Brightpick's goods-to-person (G2P) functionality comes into play, offering a hybrid solution that combines the best of both worlds: robotic efficiency and human adaptability. Goods-to-person picking is a process where the robot brings heavy or difficult-to-pick items to a designated station where a human worker or another specialized machine can complete the pick. This ensures that even the most challenging products are handled efficiently without compromising on accuracy. Brightpick's ability to switch between autonomous picking and G2P mode means that it can manage nearly any item in the warehouse, regardless of its size or shape. This G2P functionality is crucial for warehouses that deal with large or irregularly shaped items that can't be easily picked by traditional robots. In many warehouses, the sheer diversity of products makes it difficult for a single type of automation to handle every SKU effectively. Heavy products like medical equipment, industrial machinery, or large electronics require more than just precise handling. They need robust systems that can transport them safely without damaging the items or overexerting the robot. Brightpick's hybrid approach allows the robot to take on the heavy lifting, literally, while still maintaining a streamlined, efficient workflow. The flexibility of the goods-to-person (G2P) system is a significant benefit for businesses that need a solution capable of handling different item types without the need for multiple robots or manual interventions. Traditionally, these types of warehouses might have required a mix of automated and manual processes, robots for smaller, simpler picks, and human workers for larger items. This fragmentation can lead to inefficiencies, higher labor costs, and increased potential for errors. Brightpick changes this dynamic by enabling a single robot to manage both small, easy-to-handle products and larger, more challenging ones. The process begins with Brightpick navigating the warehouse, identifying items that fit within its picking capacity. When it encounters an item too heavy or awkward for its autonomous picking arm, it switches modes. Instead of attempting to pick the item itself, the robot transports it to a goods-to-person station, where either a human operator or a specialized mechanical system can complete the process. This ensures that even items previously considered non-pickable by robots can now be integrated into an automated workflow. This hybrid system has several advantages. First, it increases the range of products that can be handled by a single type of automation, reducing the need for specialized equipment. Second, it minimizes the human labor required, as workers are only involved in the final stages of handling heavier items, rather than managing the entire picking process. This not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of errors and workplace injuries associated with manually handling large or heavy goods. Additionally, Brightpick's G2P functionality supports the growing trend of omni-channel fulfillment, where warehouses need to handle a wide variety of products to meet both B2B and B2C demands. In a world where customers expect everything from small electronics to bulky furniture delivered with equal efficiency, having a flexible system that can manage this diversity is crucial. Brightpick's G2P system offers this versatility, allowing businesses to remain competitive in a market that demands both speed and precision. This capability also has implications for scalability. As businesses grow and their product ranges expand, the need for a flexible automation system becomes even more critical. Brightpick's G2P functionality ensures that warehouses can scale their operations without having to invest in separate systems for different product categories. By allowing a single robot to handle everything from lightweight packages to heavy items, Brightpick provides a scalable solution that grows with the business. At the core of Brightpick's impressive performance is its proprietary 3D machine vision system. Machine vision plays a pivotal role in how the robot navigates warehouse environments, identifies products, and executes picks with a high degree of precision. Brightpick's vision system is not just about seeing in the traditional sense, it's about understanding and interpreting its surroundings in real time. Unlike traditional automation systems that rely on preset parameters or fixed routes, Brightpick's 3D machine vision allows it to operate dynamically in constantly changing environments. The warehouse is rarely a static place. Shelves are reorganized, items shift, and new products are introduced regularly. A system that relies on outdated information or fixed points would struggle in such an environment. Brightpick, however, continuously adapts to its surroundings thanks to its advanced vision system. Brightpick's 3D machine vision uses a combination of cameras and sensors to create a detailed, real-time map of its environment. This system enables the robot to recognize objects, even those that are irregularly shaped or stacked in less than ideal conditions. By analyzing the dimensions, positioning, and orientation of items on shelves, the robot can make informed decisions about how best to approach each pick. This precision is particularly valuable in environments where items are stored closely together or in tight spaces, which are common challenges in high-density warehouses. The versatility of Brightpick's vision system extends to how it handles different product types. Whether it's recognizing a fragile glass bottle or a bulky appliance, the robot's vision system allows it to identify the optimal picking strategy. For fragile items, it may use a gentler grip or approach the item from a specific angle to avoid damage. For heavier or awkwardly shaped items, the robot can adjust its picking technique or switch to goods-to-person mode, as discussed earlier. This ability to adapt on the fly is one of the key differentiators between Brightpick and other automated solutions. Another critical advantage of Brightpick's machine vision is its ability to avoid obstacles and navigate complex environments. Warehouses are busy places, often filled with moving equipment, pallets, and workers. Brightpick's vision system allows it to safely navigate these obstacles, ensuring that it can move through even the most crowded aisles without incident. This is particularly important for warehouses that operate at high volume, where speed and efficiency are paramount. The machine vision system is also essential for maximizing the robot's efficiency. By constantly scanning its environment and identifying the most efficient paths to take, Brightpick minimizes the time spent traveling between picks. This reduces the overall time required to fulfill orders, which is a critical metric in modern warehouse operations. In industries like e-commerce, where same-day or next-day delivery is becoming the norm, every second counts. Brightpick's ability to optimize its routes and minimize downtime helps businesses meet these tight deadlines while maintaining high levels of accuracy. Moreover, the machine vision system works in tandem with the robot's AI and machine learning capabilities. As the robot performs more picks, it gathers data on its environment and its own performance. This data is then fed into its AI system, which uses machine learning algorithms to continuously improve its decision-making. Over time, this results in faster, more accurate picks, as the robot becomes better at recognizing patterns and predicting the most efficient strategies for each task. Warehouse automation has come a long way in the past few decades, with traditional systems like shuttle systems, conveyor belts, and automated storage and retrieval systems, ASRS, dominating the industry. While these systems have been effective for certain types of operations, they come with significant limitations, especially when compared to more flexible, modern solutions like Brightpick Autopicker. One of the primary differences between Brightpick and traditional systems is the level of infrastructure required. Older fulfillment systems, such as shuttle systems and queue-based ASRS, rely on fixed infrastructure like grids, rails, or conveyor belts to function. This means that warehouses need to invest heavily in setting up these systems, often requiring significant downtime and costly renovations to accommodate the new equipment. The process of implementing these systems can take months, if not years, to complete, during which time the warehouse may not be fully operational. In contrast, Brightpick offers a mobile, infrastructure-free solution. The robot doesn't need grids, rails, or conveyors to operate, which allows it to be deployed quickly and with minimal disruption to existing warehouse operations. This is a huge advantage for businesses that want to automate their warehouses without the need for expensive and time-consuming overhauls. Brightpick's ability to work within standard shelving systems and tote setups means that it can be integrated into almost any warehouse environment, regardless of its existing infrastructure. Another limitation of traditional systems is their lack of flexibility. Conveyor belts and shuttle systems are highly efficient at moving products along predetermined routes, but they struggle to adapt to changes in the warehouse environment. If the layout of the warehouse changes or new products are introduced, these systems often need to be reconfigured, which can be a time-consuming and expensive process. Brightpick, on the other hand, is designed to operate in dynamic environments. Its 3D machine vision and AI allow it to adjust to changes in real time, ensuring that it can continue to operate efficiently even as the warehouse evolves. Traditional systems also tend to be limited in terms of the types of products they can handle. Conveyor belts and shuttle systems are ideal for moving standard-sized boxes or totes, but they often struggle with irregularly shaped or oversized items. Brightpick's versatility allows it to handle a much wider range of products, from small electronics to bulky medical devices. This flexibility is crucial for warehouses that manage diverse inventories, as it eliminates the need for multiple types of automation to handle different products. Cost is another important factor to consider. Traditional fulfillment systems require significant upfront investments, not only for the equipment itself, but also for the infrastructure needed to support it. In addition to the high initial costs, these systems can also be expensive to maintain, as any changes to the warehouse layout or product range may require additional modifications to the system. Brightpick, on the other hand, offers a more cost-effective solution. Its infrastructure-free design means that it can be deployed with minimal upfront costs, and its flexibility ensures that it can adapt to changes in the warehouse without the need for expensive modifications. In terms of scalability, Brightpick has a clear advantage. Traditional systems are often limited in their ability to scale, as adding more capacity typically requires significant investments in additional infrastructure. Brightpick, however, can easily be scaled by simply adding more robots to the fleet. This makes it an ideal solution for businesses that need to scale their operations quickly, whether to meet seasonal demand or to accommodate long-term growth. One of the most compelling reasons for businesses to adopt autonomous mobile robots, AMRs, like Brightpick Autopicker is the potential for significant cost savings. In any industry, reducing operational costs while improving efficiency is a top priority, and Brightpick offers an opportunity to do just that. But what are the specific cost-saving benefits, and how do they compare to traditional labor-intensive or semi-automated warehouse solutions? First, let's talk about labor costs, one of the most substantial expenses in warehousing and logistics. Labor-intensive picking, packing, and order fulfillment operations require a large workforce, especially during peak seasons when order volumes can spike dramatically. In many regions, finding and retaining qualified workers is becoming increasingly challenging due to labor shortages. On top of that, labor costs are constantly rising due to minimum wage increases and labor market competition. These factors have made human labor not only expensive but also unpredictable in terms of availability. Brightpick directly addresses this issue by automating the most time-consuming and labor-intensive tasks in the warehouse, picking and consolidating orders. By deploying a fleet of Brightpick robots, businesses can significantly reduce the number of human workers required for these repetitive tasks. While some human oversight is still needed, the robots can operate autonomously, reducing the dependence on human labor. This translates to immediate savings in wages, benefits, and other labor-related expenses such as overtime and seasonal hiring. Additionally, robotic picking is not subject to human limitations like fatigue or errors. Workers typically experience a drop in productivity over the course of a long shift, particularly in environments where they are required to walk long distances and perform repetitive tasks. In contrast, Brightpick robots can operate continuously, 24/7, without any decrease in performance. They don't require breaks, vacations, or sick days, ensuring a consistent level of productivity at all times. This reliability allows businesses to maintain high operational throughput without worrying about workforce limitations, absenteeism, or turnover. Accuracy is another area where Brightpick's AMR can lead to significant savings. Human pickers, especially under the stress of tight deadlines and high order volumes, are prone to mistakes. A wrong item placed in an order or an incorrectly picked product can lead to costly returns, refunds, and customer dissatisfaction. Brightpick's AI-driven picking system ensures a much higher level of accuracy, reducing the chances of picking errors. The robot's advanced vision and AI systems enable it to consistently pick the right items, further improving order accuracy and customer satisfaction. Fewer mistakes mean fewer returns and lower costs associated with resolving errors. Moreover, the efficiency that Brightpick brings to warehouse operations results in a faster order fulfillment process. In traditional setups, human pickers spend a significant amount of time walking through warehouse aisles, locating items, and moving them to packing stations. This is not only time-consuming but also physically taxing, limiting the speed at which workers can operate. Brightpick's AMRs, however, are designed to minimize travel time by optimizing their routes through the warehouse. They can quickly and efficiently move from one picking location to the next, drastically reducing the time it takes to complete orders. This increased speed in picking and consolidating orders helps businesses meet tight delivery windows, which is crucial in today's fast-paced e-commerce landscape. Next, let's look at infrastructure savings. Traditional automated solutions, such as conveyor belts or shuttle systems, require significant investment in infrastructure. These systems often need a complete warehouse redesign, new shelving layouts, or the installation of expensive mechanical components like grids and conveyors. Not only does this add to the upfront costs, but it also disrupts operations during the installation period, potentially causing downtime and lost revenue. In contrast, Brightpick robots require no such fixed infrastructure. They can be deployed in existing warehouses without the need for major modifications, significantly reducing both the initial investment and the operational disruption. Additionally, maintenance costs are often lower for mobile robotic systems compared to traditional automation systems. Conveyor belts and shuttle systems have many moving parts, which require regular maintenance and can be prone to breakdowns. When a conveyor system fails, it can bring an entire warehouse operation to a halt, leading to costly downtime. Brightpick's mobile robots are designed with fewer points of failure and are typically easier to maintain. If one robot encounters an issue, it can be taken offline for repairs without disrupting the overall workflow, as the remaining robots can continue operating without interruption. This modularity and ease of maintenance further contribute to long-term cost savings. Scalability is another critical factor in cost savings. As businesses grow, they need to scale their operations to handle increasing order volumes. Traditional automation systems, such as fixed conveyor belts or grid-based systems, are not easily scalable without significant additional investment in infrastructure. Expanding these systems often requires more construction, additional machinery, and further disruption to operations. In contrast, Brightpick's AMRs offer a scalable solution that can grow with the business. As demand increases, businesses can simply add more robots to the fleet, scaling operations without the need for extensive infrastructure changes. This flexible scalability allows companies to respond to changing market conditions quickly and cost-effectively. Lastly, let's not forget the energy savings. Traditional automated systems, especially large conveyor systems or shuttle networks, consume significant amounts of energy to operate. Brightpick's AMRs, on the other hand, are designed to be energy efficient, consuming far less power. This is particularly important in warehouses where energy costs can add up, especially when operating on a 24/7 schedule. By reducing energy consumption, businesses can lower their operational costs and move closer to achieving sustainability goals. So, what do you think? Is the future of warehouse work all about autonomous robots like Brightpick, or will human workers always have a role in fulfillment? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates. Check out the videos appearing on your screen right now for more insights and stories from the world of technology. This is the AI Lib. Stay tuned.